What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tonor TD510 USB XLR dynamic microphone. So a big shout out to Tonor for sending this over. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. The price is going to be $52.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. So this would be good for things like podcasts, live streaming, gaming, voiceovers, things like that. So this is a cardioid studio mic. And some of the features and details features warm and balanced vocals, pure and comfortable sound experience, excellent noise suppression, latest dynamic unit with noise reduction technology, presents clean and detailed voice, S and N ratio 95 dB, plug and play under USB mode, no additional drivers required for the USB connection, PC, laptop, PlayStation. Now here to mix under the XLR mode, connect to audio interface and mixers for the high-end audio. Now the quick control features under USB, you got mute and unmute, you got your gain increase, your gain decrease, and you long press the volume control for microphone and headphone volumes. So the link will be in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. Here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys see 2-year warranty right there. Tonor TD510 USB XLR dynamic microphone. And then for all of you audio techs out there, microphone people, there are some of the specs right there that you can pause and read yourself. I'm not a microphone person, audiophile, or anything like that. So I don't know what any of that means. So let's go ahead and get this open. And first thing in the packaging, you're going to get your brochure here. And I'm quite sure there's going to be instructions on how to some of this, plug in your cables, how to hook it up to your interface, different things like that. Look like it comes in different languages as well. So you get that in there to help you out. Of course, you're going to get the microphone there, and also in the packaging, they give you the XLR cable. So that is awesome right there. Get that in there. I think this is 6 feet long as well. You're also going to get your USB cable as well. So this is USB-C to USB-A. That's included. And here is the microphone. Ooh, that's pretty heavy, man, picking it up out of the box. Wasn't expecting that, so let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. All right, guys, so here's the microphone, as you guys see. Very nice looking microphone. Has a good amount of weight to it. Feels good in the hand. You got your pop filter on here. Let's go ahead and take that off, and this is what the microphone looks like without the pop filter. Got this nice gold band going around there. It's all metal. Feels very sturdy in the hand. You got your mic arm right here that you can adjust here and there, I'll say. You got your controls here, volume up, volume down, your mute, on and off switch, and your selector to switch between your headphones and your microphone to adjust the volume. Got Tonor right there. And on the back, you got your XLR connector, your USB, and your headphone jack right there as well. Now, I'm going to be using this with the USB. Unfortunately, I don't have a audio interface, so we'll have to test it out like that. But I'm going to attach this to a desktop tripod, and we'll give it a go. All right, guys, let's take a look at the mic. I have it on a little tripod, a desktop tripod here. I have it plugged in with the Type-C on the back. Now, I don't have a audio interface, so I'm going to be using the USB-A for this demonstration. So looking at the layout right here, you got your volume up and down. Those are for your ear, for your headphones if you're listening to yourself or using the mic. Now, if I press this button one time, that is mute. If I press and hold it, it swaps over to the microphone. Now I can adjust the volume up and down on the mic. To go back to the headphones, just simply push it like that. So simple, it's very simple to adjust your volume, mute the device and everything. And this, like I said, this is what it looks like on the little tripod here. So very nice, or you can use a boom arm. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus to test the microphone. So I'm going to plug it into a USB hub. Right now, this is the onboard microphones on the tablet. So I wanted to give you an idea how it sounds with the onboard microphones in comparison to the Tonor microphone. So let's go ahead and hook up the Tonor microphone next. Okay guys, so now I have the Tonor TD510 microphone plugged in. I'm holding it in my hand right here, about 2 inches away from my mouth, so you get a chance to see how they sound. Now I'm using the Type-C to Type-A plugged into a USB dongle going right into the tablet, and this is what you're going to get right here. Now if you're using the XLR cable, then you'll have more control over what your output is. Monitoring this with a pair of headphones here, and it sounds great. I can adjust the volume for the headphones as well as the microphone. So let's go ahead and lower the mic volume. Lowering it down, bringing it back up, and it works pretty well also. In my ear, monitoring it sounds deep, sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead. I can mute this as well. When it's muted, this will turn red, so you'll see my lips moving, but you won't hear anything. So, and I unmute it, and this is what it sounds like. Like I said, I can adjust the volume for my headphones as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and place it on the desk. And now I'm about a foot away. Let me make sure I got the volume all the way up. Volume is all the way up on the microphone, and this is what it's going to sound like. Get a little bit closer. I think this is where you're going to get your best sound. As far as the plosives, this is what you're going to get. It sounds great to me, so it's not a bad microphone. And like I said, in post, you can always go ahead and adjust it to your liking. But let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at the Tonor TD510 XLR USB microphone. Has a great build quality, feels very premium in the hand, has a nice weight to it. Comes with the pop filter. Very nice looking as well. Got some great features for this price range of $53, $52.99. You're going to be able to monitor your output, and you can adjust your gain as far as your mic as well. Got a mute switch there. Comes with the arm here, mic arm, and you also get the options of using this with XLR or USB. So great price. Great looking microphone here, and it sounds good to me. So I'll definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. Will H, I'm out.